Hello, welcome to my daily motivation channel. Today's topic is procrastination. Procrastination is a complex behavior that can be influenced by a variety of factors, including our emotions, beliefs, and habits. Understanding the reasons behind our procrastination can help us take steps to overcome it and become more productive. Here are the tips on how to stop yourself from procrastination. Break tasks into smaller steps. One reason people procrastinate is that a task seems overwhelming. Breaking it down into smaller, more manageable steps can make it seem less daunting. Set specific goals. Set specific goals for what you want to accomplish and when you want to accomplish it. Write them down and hold yourself accountable. Use time management techniques. Time management techniques such as the Pomodoro technique or time blocking can help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Eliminate distractions. Identify what distracts you and remove those distractions. For example, if social media is a distraction, turn off notifications or use an app that blocks access to social media during work hours. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals with someone who will hold you accountable and check in on your progress. Think about the negative consequences of procrastination, such as missed deadlines or added stress, to motivate yourself to take action. Use positive self-talk. Use positive self-talk to encourage yourself to get started and keep going. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I can do this, one step at a time." Remember, stopping procrastination takes practice and persistence. Start small and keep working on it every day. If you love this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thank you for watching.